Driving under the influence is a serious problem, and sadly, some offenders do it again even after they're caught. That's why some Tennessee lawmakers hope to strengthen DUI punishment with the new law.
And that's just one part of this bill. Amanda Brandeis shows us how the other would actually loosen punishment for people with certain drug charges.
We see people 8, 10, 12 DUIs, and they're just not learning from their mistakes. They don't seem to care.
Tom Patton's seen it over and over again for the past 20 years and knows something has to change.
Anything to get these people off the streets and behind bars for longer periods of time, maybe that'll get the message across, or at least get them off the streets.
And that's what one Republican-sponsored bill hopes to do. Right now, a person convicted of 4 DUIs gets a Class E felony, the lowest level. But if the bill passes, a person convicted of 6 DUIs gets a Class C felony, tripling the punishment.
People would be in jail longer, which would also mean that those people that repeat and drive and endanger the public would be out of the public domain.
Another part of the bill would lessen the punishment for drug possession. Someone caught 3 times with a small amount of marijuana or other controlled substance would get a misdemeanor rather than a felony. The move would save the state over $2 million in incarceration costs. And a sponsor of the bill says they're more worried about repeat violent offenders, putting them in prison longer. But some don't want to see this part of the law changed.
I understand that the jails are overcrowded. I understand they're full, but to say we're gonna suddenly say that something that has been a crime for all these years is no longer a crime or not as serious as a crime, I think is a mistake.
And Patton says a lot of today's DUIs involve drugs, and he doesn't want to see drug offenders punished any less. Amanda Brandeis, News Channel 11, in your corner.
The bill also enhances punishment for carjacking offenders, requiring them to serve more of their sentence.